Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the heartbreaking news coming out of Brazil. A tragic helicopter crash has claimed the life of singer Oliver Tree at just 32 years old and 5 others in a devastating mid-air collision. The incident, which occurred on the morning of Sunday, resulted in the deaths of all 6 people aboard the 2 aircraft. This tragedy not only cuts short the promising career of a uniquely eccentric artist but also claims the lives of several other individuals connected to creative and media circles. Authorities in Rio de Janeiro's military fire department confirmed that the collision took place over the western zone of the city, specifically in the Recreio dos Bandeirantes neighborhood, a beachside suburb. One helicopter crashed into the parking lot of a car dealership, where several electric vehicles were parked, igniting a fire that destroyed multiple cars before being extinguished by responders. Eyewitnesses described the scene as horrifying, with flames visible after the impact and reports of desperate attempts by those on board to escape. Oliver Tree had recently performed in São Paulo as part of his South American tour and was actively sharing moments from his travels on social media, including a video of him playing soccer in a Brazilian neighborhood just days before the crash. According to reports, Tree was one of 5 passengers aboard one of the helicopters involved in the collision. The second helicopter carried only its pilot. Brazilian police confirmed that Oliver Tree was listed on the passenger manifest provided to aviation authorities, though formal identification of the bodies through forensic examination was still underway at the time of initial reports. The full list of victims includes prominent figures from the entertainment and creative industries. Alongside Oliver Tree, the deceased are Argentine YouTuber and influencer Gaspi, widely known as Gaspi, who had over 3.5 million followers on Instagram, film director Lucas Vignale, producer Lucas Brito Chaves, and the 2 pilots, Alexander Souza and Charles Marcelac. This mid-air collision raises serious questions about air traffic control and helicopter operations in the busy skies above Rio de Janeiro. Brazil's Air Force has launched a full investigation into the cause of the accident. Officials are examining factors such as weather conditions, pilot communications, mechanical issues, and any potential human error. As of now, no definitive cause has been released, and the probe is expected to take time given the complexity of reconstructing the events leading up to the collision. In the days ahead, we can expect more details to emerge from the ongoing investigation. If you found this update helpful and want more in-depth coverage on stories like this, please hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more news breakdowns. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.